Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your recently searched items on the Mercari app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you went ahead and searched some items on the Mercari app and you want to go ahead and actually see what you've looked at before. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Mercari. Then in the upper right hand corner, click on My Likes. Afterwards, click on Recently Viewed. And then this is going to show you any item that you've recently viewed on the Mercari app. So for example, if we go back to the main homepage and we open up this item here, which is John Cena. Now, if we go back and go to that same page of My Likes and then click on Recently Viewed, we should be able to see that figurine that we just clicked on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your recently viewed items on the Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.